Kia Telluride, stop and tail light replacement. Follow these simple steps to remove and install the outside combination lamp on a Kia Telluride. Step 1. Remove the cover. A. Use a plastic trim remover to avoid causing damage to any components. Step 2. After loosening the screws, remove the rear combination lamp by pulling it in the direction of arrow. Step 3. Disconnect the connector, A, after separating the rubber cap, B. If your vehicle is equipped with LED lights, you will need to replace the entire LED panel assembly or the rear lamp assembly. Rear inside combination lamp removal. To remove rear inside combination lamp, perform the following actions. Step 1. Remove the tailgate garnish. Step 2. Remove the rear combination lamp by pulling it in the direction of the arrow. Bulb replacement. So first, you have to disconnect the connector from the rear inside combination lamp. Next, remove the bulb socket by rotating it in the counterclockwise. And finally, replace the bulb. To install, reverse removal procedure. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Share in the comments any challenges you encountered and let us know if you managed to resolve them yourself.